Okay, Ethan has learned how to ride his bike, so we're going to videotape it here, okay? We're going to back up a little bit and let him go, okay? Look at him go. Oh my gosh, and he knows how to stop. Good job, Ethan. Can you do it one more time for the video? Can you do it one more time for the video? And this time, try to go in a full circle, okay? Ethan has been working for about 3 weeks to learn how to ride his bike. He's been taking it very slow, and he hasn't fallen down once, so we're very proud of him. Yep, as we all know, when we first learn to ride a bike, getting the setup is the hardest part. Getting that pedal in the right place, and you learn how to do it eventually. Oh, that's okay. Got to keep pedaling, keep that momentum going, push the pedals. You're doing a great job, Ethan.
Yeah, let me try it one more time.
Okay, no problem. There you go. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Good job. Good job. You did it. Ethan, how do you feel?
Good.
Yeah? What do you think? Is riding the bike the best thing in the world?
Fun.
Oh, here he goes again. You got to push off, okay? You got to get that. You got to get moving, okay? There you go. That's a good way to do it. There he goes. There he goes. Yeah, good job, Ethan.
You just stop and then go.
Okay, come
And then.
here and say goodbye. We're going to put this on the internet, okay? Here, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.